Hello, this is Simran and welcome to the Blitz News channel. Let's talk about this weather update of India. Usually it does not rain on these days, but the weather pattern has been changing for quite some time now. As a result, it is raining in many parts of the country from north to south. The meteorological department said that the rains may continue in northwest India on October 18 to 19 as well. At the same time, rains has started decreasing in the South India states including Kerala from Sunday. However, another spell of rain may start over the southern states from October 20 onwards. According to the meteorological department, there are many reasons behind the rain. First, the formation of a low pressure area in the South Arabian Sea. Second, the re-strengthening of the easterly winds from the Bay of Bengal. These winds are usually stronger during monsoons but have persisted this time around. Third, a western disturbance active from Afghanistan's side in northwest India. Due to these three weather events, all parts of the country are receiving rain. The southern states, especially Kerala, have received more rain. Rain has started in many parts of Bihar, including Jharkhand state capital Ranchi since Sunday night. The India Meteorological Department has issued a 72-hour yellow alert from Monday. According to the India Meteorological Department, there is a possibility of heavy rains in some parts of Uttarakhand and West Uttar Pradesh till tomorrow. A western disturbance is over Afghanistan and adjoining and it is interacting with easterly winds over low levels of Bay of Bengal. It is likely to continue for the next 2 to 3 days. Due to the low pressure area, heavy rains have started in Kolkata and other districts of South Bengal. The India Meteorological Department has issued an orange warning for many more heavy rain. Just before Diwali, where the cold is expected to knock soon in the states of North India, there will also be an immediate relief from pollution. The increasing has in Delhi NCR has been washed away by the rains. If it rains for the next 2 days, then there will be relief from the pollution layers for the whole week. So that's it from us in this weather update of India. Thank you for your time.